Promptless is an AI agent that automatically updates your docs. We just released Promptless 1.0, which takes Promptless to the next level. It's more aligned with your team's writing style and can automatically update screenshots, code snippets, and translations in addition to just text. This all plugs into Promptless's proactive workflows, where it already integrates with GitHub, Slack, Jira, and your docs provider or CMS, so that it can automatically detect when doc updates are needed. So let's dive into an example. So last week, we added a Confluence integration for Promptless. Now, I've got Promptless set up to listen for any new PRs that we open. So when the team marked this PR as ready for review, Promptless got to work reviewing both the content of the PR and the diff to figure out if a doc update was needed, and then it did draft that doc update. So when I look at the suggestion, I can see there's a lot going on here. So, Promptless has automatically created an article about the new Confluence integration. And it also replaced my Jira article on how to set up a Jira integration with an article about the Atlassian integration, since now Jira and Confluence are combined under a single integration. It even went so far as to automatically detect that some links would go out of date with that change and fix it itself. Now, Promptless also makes it really easy to review and edit these suggestions. So it leaves detailed citations, so you can see exactly where Promptless got certain information from. And you can look at Promptless's research so that you can get a sense of if Promptless looked at the right articles, looked at the right pull requests when drafting its suggestions. Now, if I like Promptless's suggestion as is, I can just publish it right away. So here I'll just open a PR, but Promptless integrates with all major doc providers and CMSs. Or I can ask Promptless for revisions, either by asking it directly, asking it in line, or just editing Promptless's suggestion myself. Now, if Promptless has ended up creating some screenshots, it can either take screenshots from the pull request or browse your product and create it itself. I can actually just go in and even edit the screenshots inside of the app too. So let's say I want to adjust the crop. I can do that right inside of Promptless's app. Now, here's the best part. Every time a request changes, Promptless learns about how I like my docs written. For example, you can see here that over time, it learned that I like changelog updates to be in a different suggestion. And so it split that out into a separate suggestion so that it's easier for me to review. Now, I set Promptless up so that it'll send me notifications in Slack. So I'll be able to see whenever Promptless has a new suggestion for me. Now, if the suggestions are small, like here, I can go in, see the diff in line in Slack, and publish it without even having to leave Slack, which is great for fast-moving teams with lots of small updates. But yeah, Promptless is designed so that your customers and agents can always find the most up-to-date information, which leads to higher conversion rates and less support volume. Visit promptless.ai to try out.